Just sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're in, use the search bar to choose a voice you want to use. For example, let's pick SpongeBob. You can also choose the key or tone of the voice right here.
To feel your heartbeat next to mine. Won't you come on down? Forget about your past. You can't take my hand.
After jazz, click add to sing. Now you have a few options. You can upload the song, choose from the library, record your voice, or even type your own lyrics in the text to speech box. Let's say I type in Do Re Mi. Then click use this text and hit start cover. Now take note, if you're not subscribed, you won't be able to generate the full song. So it's better to have a subscription to access the final output. But overall, that's how easy it is to make a cover song using Jammable AI.